Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you're doing great. So welcome back with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss about these, final topics of this chapter. Alhamdulillah, finally we have achieved. We've literally reached till the end of this chapter number 1 from the geography book from the grade 7. Okay, so just for the record, I just want to show you this book looks something like this. I hope that you are well aware of this book over here. I hope that you guys can see this in the camera, right? Yeah, you guys probably can see this in the camera, this one, right? So this is the geography book for grade 7, all right? And actually we have reached on the last chapter of this book. Sorry, not last chapter, the last topic of, the chapter number 1, inshallah, but we're going to reach on the last chapter as well. So yeah, now climate, okay? So guys, before this video, actually I've made a very small, tiny videos in which I'm explaining all the terminologies in this last topic, because there were kind of different terminologies might be a little bit difficult for you guys to understand, actually, about the equator, about the coniferous forest, about pasture, Mediterranean, savanna, tundra, and latitude and altitude, and all these different kind of things. All right, so yes, without further ado, let's get started. All right, so guys, now speaking about the climate. So guys, actually the problem is that I think I took the pictures in a very wrong way, and that's why it just got a little bit cropped, as you can see on the screen. But actually, I have my book. I have the book in front of me. Okay, so I can read it from here, just to have a little bit better understanding. But you guys can literally have the book on your own side as well. And I'm it's pretty much clear from this picture as well. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, it says over here that when we say that the Indus Plains in the north of Punjab usually have a dry winter season and a wet summer season, we are saying something about the average state of the weather over many years. Okay, that means that we are describing the climate in that area. Now in book number 1, the one you have studied in the class 6, okay, we studied the climate graphs for Quetta and Multan. In order to get the statistics for drawing the climate graphs, we have used to. Now there are 2 climate graphs. Number 1 is the average monthly temperatures from each month averaged over 30 years or more. So the average temperature from each month, okay, average temperature, monthly temperatures from each month for the span of for 30 years, and the total monthly rainfall figures for each month averaged over 30 years. So actually they have collected the data of every month since last 30 years, just to have the understanding. So what they're saying is that they're telling about the northern region of Punjab, okay, the northern plains of Punjab over here, where you have dry winter season and wet summer season. So yeah, everyone can have many different regions on the Earth planet. You can face this situation where the winter season is actually a little bit drier, and the summer season is a little bit wetter. It has more moisture in the air, right? And why this is happening? And so they have been collecting the data since last 30 years, and they're especially speaking about Quetta and Multan as well. Now, just for the record, we should know this thing that the Multan is kind of in the middle of Punjab, something like that, and Quetta is kind of adjacent, kind of a little bit, not exactly, but a little bit adjacent to Multan. But Quetta is in Balochistan, so do remember this thing, right?